In this video, let's see the beauty of sunset in one of the Middle East countries is Saudi Arabia. Welcome to Mrs. Smarties. Let's know the importance of sun and sunset here. There is a warmth and magic in the light that when day ends each day at sunset. Photographers sometimes call these times as the golden hours. Every sunset is special in Middle East countries. Every evening, everyone, locals, foreigners, would enjoy the brilliant colors chasing across the skies before fading into black. The sunset is reflected in Arabic name as Maghrib. Sun means Shams. They have personal family names with this, that is Shams. The another example of importance of sunrise, sunset in their culture is in the month of Ramadan, that is Islamic month of fasting, are not allowed to eat and drink from sunrise to sunset. The Arab countries, that is Middle East countries, are blessed by ample of sunlight and open space. The sun, the sunlight, the sunrise and sunset all play a vital role in Arabic culture. Sunset colors are more brilliant than sunrise colors because evening air contains more particles than morning air. I was standing and watching one of these sunsets that I realized that the people around the world are the same, no matter what culture, skin color, language, religion, country or place they are in their life. Everyone appreciates the beauty of sunset. One of the best things in the Middle East is amazing colorful sunset. The colors, the sky and the sheer power of it all is pretty amazing. This video is captured in northern borders of Saudi Arabia. This sunset is captured in eastern borders of Saudi Arabia, city named Dammam. And this colorful sunset is captured in city called Medina. Hope you enjoyed the sunset. Do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe Mrs. Smarties to meet us again. Thank you for watching.